Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave, and today we're doing another very quick unboxing of a non-original GoPro accessory. As you probably know by now, I'm one of those people that prefers original accessories, and in the case of GoPro, original GoPro accessories seem to be really good quality, and they seem to be doing the job that you have bought them for perfectly in pretty much all cases. However, unfortunately, in this case, GoPro does not make this accessory, and therefore I had to go aftermarket, and I ordered this on eBay for $7 delivered. This comes straight from China, so it will be interesting to see how good the quality actually is. Let's get it out of the wrapping and see what we've got. Here we are. Let's unwrap it and see how it works. Okay, there you go, have a look at that. It's a cap, a baseball or trucker style cap, depending on where you come from. In Australia we generally call these baseball caps. I've heard them called trucker caps in different countries. Anyway, here it is, it's plain black. It's got an adjustment down the back here for different head sizes, which is sort of standard. The actual cap seems to be fairly good quality, and the main difference is, as you may have noticed by now, it's got a GoPro mount on the front of it, which also looks to be very solid and good quality, and also it seems to be attached really well. It looks like it's stitched into the cap there, and there must be some better way of attaching it because it is on there rock solid. It's not going to come off, which is very good. To think that this was only $7 delivered from China, it's an absolute bargain. Okay, let's hope it fits my big head, and we'll go from there. Let's see how the GoPro attaches to it. I just happen to have a GoPro Hero 7 there. Okay, this is how they come. Okay, this is the original mount that come with the GoPro Hero 7. I've got an unboxing video on this GoPro, and I'll link that down in the description box for you if you're interested. You lift up the little rubber flap there, and this should just clip in and lock in. There you go. You can now adjust the angle of your GoPro mounted up on your head. This seems to be a little bit of a different option compared to the GoPro original head strap, because this allows you to have a cap on and get some shielding from the sun on your face. I think this accessory would be perfect for going fishing and just doing general outdoor sort of stuff where you want to be wearing a baseball cap. Okay, I'll put some video on the end of me actually wearing this, just so you can have a laugh at how silly it actually looks. But you know, people that vlog in public and all that sort of stuff are probably used to people giving them strange looks. So I can't see this being too much of a problem. So far I'm very happy with it. Let's see what it looks like on my head. Now I'm back again. I've just realised when I was actually putting the cap on my head that you can spin this mount around and it makes it a lot lower profile. It won't stick up as much as when you've got it the other way around. Okay, I'll show you what I mean. Okay, take that off and you flip that around, and now you've got to take the GoPro off and spin it 180 degrees, but see, it sticks up a lot taller. Now that if I take this off again and mount it that way, once it's mounted like that, it is a lot lower profile. Okay, however, there's a limit to the angle that you can adjust it to right there. Okay, that's as far up as it will go. However, I'm pretty certain that that angle is pretty much the right angle that you want in most cases. So let's go on to the video where this is sitting on my head. I will also put some video footage at the end of what this has filmed while it's mounted on my head. So that way you can get a fair idea of how well this actually works. I'm hoping to be wearing this next time I go fishing. I know I don't go fishing that much, but I wish I went fishing more if I had more time. However, my next fishing trip, I'm certain I'll be wearing this cap with my GoPro attached to the top there. Well, here we are, there's me with my silly looking cap on. Seems to do the job nicely. Now I've got the GoPro Hero 6 attached to it. So in the video that you have just watched, that would have been recorded with the GoPro Hero 6 on the standard settings. Well, this is now recorded with my GoPro Hero 7 and my vlogging setup. So hopefully you'll have some decent sound. There's our horse in the background, and I've just done that just so you've got something a little bit more interesting to look at than just my face. I think the cap works quite well. It's quite comfortable, and I'll definitely be using that in the future. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.